Hey everybody, Whitney LaBrie here, and long story short, I was supposed to fly to see my family in Texas over the holiday, but because of the whole Southwest debacle, I was unable to do so until much later, so it kind of threw off my whole filming schedule for the first of the year. But that's okay, because what I thought might be fun is if I just kind of share with you some of the ideas that I have for us for 2023. Now, if you're new to my channel, you may not know that I am a big movie enthusiast, and so a lot of my miniatures and miniature rooms are really inspired by movies that I have loved either as a child or as an adult. So last summer, I acquired a 15-room dollhouse that stands almost to the ceiling, and I did a really silly little video where we played Clue, and I went into depth about the dollhouse and the different rooms and really showcase each room exactly how I acquired it. So what I thought would be really fun in 2023 is if I began to really go through that dollhouse and refurbish it. So in some of the cases, as you kind of see these rooms here, some of them are beautifully done, and I really would like to keep the integrity of the original creator's ideas and just maybe do a little twist with newer things or newer ideas that I have. Some of the rooms though, I do want to completely redo. And so at the end of the video, I want to show you the room and the movie or theme that I've been inspired by and kind of give you obvious clues as to what we'll be doing. But one of the things that I wanted to do before I do that is check to see if the lighting works, because it is wired with like an old school lighting with these old school bulbs, but I've actually never plugged it in because I just recently brought it into the house. It has been in the garage for almost a year. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and see if it works. And yay! So the body of the dollhouse works. All the lighting does. Looks like some of the bulbs might be out. And what's really nice is I'll be able to add more lighting to this, like battery operated lighting to some of this, and maybe wire in some lighting along the way. So we'll see about that. And then the roof of it has its own lighting, so I didn't plug that in, but the wiring and everything looks like it's pretty jumbled up there. So that'll take me a little bit more time to kind of go through. All right. So anyway, I'm really excited. Of course, beyond the dollhouse itself, I have many other projects and other fun stuff that we'll be doing throughout this year that I'm really excited about. And so in the meantime, just sit back, enjoy the rest of the video and the clues that I'm leaving. And when I say clues, I mean obvious clues that I'm leaving for you to know some of the different movies that I'll be using as my inspiration to refurbish this dollhouse.
You're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination.
That's the way we became the Brady Bunch.
They have no use for your song. You're dead, you're dead, you're dead, you're dead and out of this world.
All right, everybody, I hope you're as excited as I am about some of the things we'll be doing in 2023, especially to this dollhouse. I am so happy that you stopped by this week. Again, I'm sorry it's not a typical video. I'm actually still in Texas while I'm finishing this video and recording this video for you. I hope everybody is having a great first part of the year. I hope you're as excited about this year as I am, and I will see you next time for my regular scheduled video. Have a great week. Bye.